Hey friends, if you're on the keto journey or even just thinking about it, this one mindset shift could be the game changer you've been looking for. It's called self-efficacy, your belief in your ability to follow through and make real change in your life. And today, I'm going to give you 3 ways to build it fast. Number 1, reflect on past wins and victories. Take a moment and think about something you've already accomplished. It doesn't have to be huge. Maybe you cut back on sugar, stuck to keto for a few days, or resisted a craving. That's proof, real proof that you can change. When you focus on those wins, even the small ones, you remind your brain, I've done it before, I can do it again. Number 2, keep a mini success journal. Every day, write down one thing you did right. It could be anything: tracking your macros, drinking more water, saying no to bread or pasta. These moments build momentum. When you see a pattern of success, your confidence naturally grows. There's self-efficacy in action. Number 3, set tiny, winnable goals. Forget about perfection. Instead, aim for consistency. Set micro goals like prep 2 keto meals this week or get in 5,000 steps today. Crush those goals that you can accomplish readily. Then stack them. Every small win reinforces your belief that you can stick with this lifestyle. So if you're feeling unsure, remember this: you already have the proof that you're capable. Stack those wins, build that belief, and watch how far you can go. If this helped you, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more keto mindset tools. You've got this.